The focus of this video is on creating a package to submit an advance, progress, or final claim to a COA. In order to create a package, you will click on the Projects link in the client view. The system will display the projects that you have with a COA. If you are attempting to launch a package for a project that is not in disbursement phase, the system will tell you the operation has failed. Otherwise, the system will allow you to create a claim, advance, or final package for your given project. Note that those with read access rights will not be able to create a package. The system will give you a message that you do not have these rights. You must have access rights of edit or admin in order to submit a package. For more information on definition of access rights, you would go to your Help link and go to Managing Site Members. There you will find a video describing the different access rights. To access a project in disbursement phase, click on the project link. You can create a progress, advance, or final claim under the Create a Package section on the left of your screen. The system generates pertinent info path forms within each package. For the purpose of this training video, we are going to launch a claim package. Once the package is successfully created, click on this link. Note the package number, which is a combination of your project number and your reference number. This is also considered your confirmation number when you submit your claim. This link, Instructions to Recipient, contains important instructions on how to efficiently complete a claim package. A similar link is also available within the Advance package. Important information to also note pertains to the mandatory forms to be completed within a package, and those forms that are optional. You will note the claim package has 6 forms. In order to submit a claim package, the following 3 forms must be completed: the identification and certification, the detailed costs claimed, and the progress report. Depending on your situation, the advance payment request, the declaration of overdue amounts owed to the Crown, and the non-cash cost certification forms may be pertinent. If, for example, you did not fill out the advance form, submitted the package to a COA, and then realized you wish to submit a request for an advance, you may then launch an advance package separately. However, in this claim package, you have the option of submitting an advance request at the same time as the progress claim. Please note an important navigation tip. If you click on a link to access a form within a package, the system by default will open the page in the same browser. If you access a form in this fashion, it is very important that if you want to exit the form, you save and close. If you click on the X, you will exit a COA Direct altogether. In order to avoid this, you can open a form in a separate tab or window using the right mouse key and either click on Open in New Tab or Open in New Window. A final important navigation tip to remember that is Internet Explorer specific: when you are in a form, if you have inputted some information in a field and then you click outside of the field, if you click on your backspace button on your keyboard, the system boots you out of the form without saving anything that you've added, so be very careful. It is important to remember to save your information frequently to ensure that nothing is lost. Note that all mandatory fields within each form must be completed, and all questions must be answered before submitting a payment or an advance request. If you click on Save and receive the following pop-up message, this indicates that one or more errors or uncompleted fields exist in order to validate the form. These instances are marked by either a red asterisk or a red dashed border. You must address these instances before completing the form. In order to submit a package, all mandatory forms, as well as any in-progress optional forms, must be in a completed status. This means that the completed checkbox within each form must be checked. As you see here, the box cannot be blank, and it is to be checked in order for the form to be complete. Once you have saved or completed a form, the system will indicate here the date and the time, as well as the individual who last modified this form. If the completed box has been checked off, the system will indicate yes in the completed column. If you have launched a package and realize that it is not required, you may proceed to delete the package. This can be done by clicking on the Delete Package button. Do not attempt to delete a package from the Document Set Manage tab and Delete icon, as it will not do it correctly. The same process is followed when creating an advance or final package. Prior to submitting, depending on the forms you are including in your package, we invite you to listen to additional videos that are specific to each section of the claims process, particularly the certification and submission video. In this section, the system displays the list of packages that are in draft form and those that have been submitted. If a package is launched but not completed, it will remain in the draft list. If the package is submitted, it will be displayed in the submitted list. You can click on the left Drafts or Submitted links under Packages on the left menu bar or on a numbered link within the Packages section. The system provides you with the ability to view packages in submitted form and to view and edit packages in draft form. Once a package is submitted, in order to print your package, you will need to go into each individual document or form and print individually. This is done by clicking on File and Print or Preview. It is also recommended you go to the Help link for additional videos on the claims process, as well as help files and videos on all sections of ACOA Direct. This concludes our session on how to create a package within ACOA Direct. Thank you for taking time to listen to this video. We trust it has been useful in addressing any questions you may have.